What's up everybody, Ilia is right here, and I just cannot tell you how happy I am because today is going to be the biggest giveaway out of all of those. I think in compared with all those previous ones, it is going to be the best one. And you tell me who you are, who is taking those money from. Because there is Santeja, the guy who is going to become a probably excellent whale because of my videos. He's just like the first person who is taking those money, and congratulations man, and thank you very much for watching videos, and thank you very much for commenting, because you are helping YouTube algorithm to recognize my videos and show them to people. More comments, more likes, and more discussions there. More people are watching, more motivation for me, more wallets created, more money given away, and I kind of don't care. I have several tenth of millions of Celer lumens. I can just make bigger and bigger wallets. Easy for me. I encourage you to hit like button, subscribe if you haven't, and write in the comment below something. Ask me any questions. I'll be answering everyone. I'll be answering in the comment section. I'll be answering in Twitter. I will be answering in the next video. Let's start, and welcome to 50k Bitcoin. Okay, 51.3k. Ilia is right here, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin SUPERCYCLE. You might think, what is that and what we should wait from that? And you probably heard about Bitcoin since 2013 or 2017 when your family or friends were talking like, oh dude, you know, this is gonna be huge. It's like growing like crazy. You should enter. And you probably entered at 1300 or 20,000 like normal people did. And I'm kind of the same person who entered the market at the top, but in 2012, which made me kind of more successful in this space. And the most interesting part is Bitcoin SUPERCYCLE. It happens every 4 years. So we have this halving thing, the number of users is increasing, the value goes up, and a lot more people are trying to take advantage and get more money. So they'll be owning more and more Bitcoin. The more people are owning Bitcoin, the more number of wallets, and it's like less share of Bitcoin per people. And it's actually a very smart thing that Satoshi said. And I want to tell that mathematically it's going to be 0.003 Bitcoins per person, and you'll be like middle class person. And you're going to be doing well when you're having only 3,000ths of Bitcoin. And the funniest part that Satoshi wrote it even before Bitcoin was worth 1 cent. And all those cycles were skyrocketing. 2011, it just skyrocketed to $31. Then it skyrocketed in 2013 to 1,300. It's a lot. And in 2017 to 18, we all remember, or majority of us remembers, 20,000. And what is going to be next, and why it's different right now, and why I call this SUPERCYCLE. Because right now we have mass adoption. Right now investors are flowing. And we saw only few market corrections since 2008 to 2020. Right now, when coronavirus time came, people just tested Bitcoin. Because all those institutions, they saw, oh my god, they just dipped 50%. And also this happened to Bitcoin, but it recovered a lot faster than stock market. And right now Bitcoin is just showing all records. And if you don't know, you can just check on Bitcoin Talk when Satoshi was saying, okay, we are going to invent something that is working against crisis and which has deflation. And that's why value will be growing, and we just want to fix this financial crisis problem. And Bitcoin looks like it is going to fix it. And for example, in the last year, about $10 trillion were printed as a stimulus checks around the world. And it's like, it's not even smart. And the perfect example is when people don't even care about earthquake insurance until it hits. And right now, financial crisis began, and then what? Everyone is buying Bitcoin. Some of you might remember that in the end of 2017, there was created some meme, and it was like institutional herd is coming. And it was kind of joke. And it was about too early. And right now what? JP Morgan, Fidelity, Citibank, Grayscale, MicroStrategies, everyone are flowing in. And there is kind of proof why Bitcoin is the best. And institutionals were scared and thinking, why I should invest into something that can be just copied and promoted better, and that's it, all the money is there. When Bitcoin Cash was created, better PayPal and cheaper fees, kind of smart, but no, it's just the same stupid thing, but it's just a copy. When Ethereum was like, okay, decentralized application platform, we can just build whatever we want and Ethereum going to take over the market. I even tweeted something like, I won't be surprised if Ethereum will take over Bitcoin's market cap. And what institutions right now are trying to do? They're trying to move their money from gold to Bitcoin, because what? Bitcoin is easier to buy. That means a lot more people can buy this. That means price will go a lot higher than gold. You cannot buy gold right now today. You just need to register, go through a lot of processes. And if you're just a regular person, it's kind of hard for you to own this. 2017 brought a lot more investors. Some people got scared. Some people are still not entering the market. They're scared to lose money again because it's just going up. But to me personally, when I see a lot more people asking me lately, like last 3 months, everyone is asking me how to buy Bitcoin, where can I buy Bitcoin, how can I buy Bitcoin for cash? I want to buy for $50,000 cash and send it to another country. And I was like, oh wow, that's kind of huge, but you can just buy one Bitcoin for 50K today. So in 2017 also was created a lot more content that is just educating people and helping people to understand what Bitcoin is and why it is going to go up. And since people from those times are seeing the price is going to up and higher and higher and higher, they will definitely bring a lot more people to cryptocurrency space. And right now you can just buy Bitcoin with PayPal, you can buy it with Robinhood, you can buy even through Coinbase. Yeah, you will need to pay taxes if you sell it and bring it to your bank account. But still, Bitcoin is at very early stage. And right now we can tell that Bitcoin was created for this specific moment. Why? Because right now it's only 0.01, so 1/100% of value is in Bitcoin. Guys, imagine, what if hundreds of trillions dollars which institutionals are owning and managing, just 1% will go there. It's like, okay, 1% is x100. Think about it. It's what? That's a lot. It's 5 mils. And you shouldn't be surprised, because even 1 year ago, when Bitcoin dipped really low, it was like from 8K to 5K in what, 5 minutes? My friend told me, oh dude, no, that's just dying. And I've lost like 20%. I said, dude, I'm already losing something. And definitely when I was saying it's 50K, 100K, he was saying, no, that's impossible. And what's that? 51K today? And he's saying, yeah, 100K, I see it definitely. And this person was saying me 50K is impossible and we won't come back to 20K. And what he's doing right now, he's buying some shit coins and he's trying to improve and increase his stack of Bitcoins, which is actually good. And guys, right now I would like you to move to really cool stuff. Altcoins, and why Ethereum is going to more than 10,000 per one coin. And I'm not kidding. First of all, a lot of new stuff is coming to the cryptocurrency space. It's like NFTs. I recently was in Miami on an exhibition of Bitcoin stuff and NFT stuff, and people were kind of excited there. And Mercedes from 2016, AMG something coupe, was trying to be sold for 3 Bitcoins, and I was thinking, oh no, it's not even worth that. And right now, if someone sold that, they just made some money. They just gained like 50K. And we're all waiting for something special like Ethereum 2.0, which is going to lower fees and improve the speed, which is actually critical for Ethereum. Right now, it has really good competitor, and Binance chain is doing everything to help people to trade and to kind of kill Ethereum. Of course it's not, and it won't do this because it's Ethereum. It has a lot of developers all over the world that are supporting it and developing there, and it still has a lot of use cases and will be growing and improving its price and further. And here's the thing, if you take a look at the trend where Bitcoin is going and what's happening to Ethereum, right now Ethereum is at the very lowest bottom. Yes, right. It was just growing just a bit against Bitcoin. And it's because Bitcoin grew like 5 times and Ethereum grows 5 times, right? It was like 350 and now it's 1800. Multiply by 6, easy. So it wasn't even growing against Bitcoin. And we will see this definitely very soon. And it is going to be like Coca-Cola and Pepsi. I like those comparisons. It's like both are winners and someone's getting a bit less. But if Coca-Cola grows high, Pepsi is doing well too. And that's Ethereum. And Ethereum will go from proof of work to stacking. And usually validator are not required 32 Ethereums on your account, but Coinbase just said, we just don't care. You can have whatever amount of Ethereum on your account and you will do fine. What is that cool thing I'm gonna tell you right now? It's altcoins, easy as it is. And right now they just dip really hard. And some of my friends, and they're asking, dude, have you exited DUSK? Or what was that, the red candle? Did you see someone sold 2 million of DUSK? And I was like, no, that's not me. I'm just waiting for my time. A lot of experienced traders are making fun on new people like, okay, are you cool at selling bottoms? And right now what is happening is people are selling bottoms. Yeah, probably you can save yourself by saving like 1% of this value. Like it dipped to 20 Satoshi and you sold it at 19 and it dipped to 18 and you bought it 17. then yes, but it's less likely will happen. My experience is the worst from all experiences that I've heard about, because I used to sell somewhere here and I was waiting for these levels, but it was skyrocketing to X10, and then I'm just like, oh no, I missed this opportunity. And I was entering there, and then it was dipping. And right now I know, no, I'm not doing this thing, I'm just waiting. And it's like, I posted yesterday on Twitter some post about XRP that I actually bought. I hated XRP. And by the way, guys, the thing is, Jed McCallum, the guy who created Stellar Lumens, he's co-founder of Ripple. He's selling right now 38 millions of Ripple per day. And he has like a couple billions, I think, of those. And he's going to be selling every day until May or something. Expect your value of Ripple going down probably. Or some noobs will buy this thing and they will think, okay, that's okay, we are going to use it. And right now, actually, nobody cares. Everyone is buying everything, so you're fine if you're holding Ripple. I've never been registered to CoinMarketCap. It's just for me like information that I can see the price of coin. And I saw there's a watch list and you can favorite all your coins, and then you just go to watch list and see all your coins. And I have created this list, which I'm going to put in the description below. And you can comment on that and you can tell me your opinion on this list. The coins that I'm currently right now holding, like about top 10 of my positions, and I'm not putting there Ethereum or Bitcoin. It will be only altcoins which are going to go really high. And you know almost all of them, because I recently reinvested again into something special, which is about DeFi, which is about exchange, and it's not PancakeSwap, which actually did X2.5 right now in compared with when I told you before. Right now, this is the typical correction, like I used to tell you guys. Do you remember Nano Coin? Everyone was saying, oh, it's X8. Perfect, I'm just exiting this. And you just check this timeline when it was crazy. And when you see the full graph, you don't even see this X8. Because after that, it went X300. And in comparison with 300, 8 is nothing, right? And there was a funny story, like I probably posted it in Twitter recently. When I got Nano for about like 15 cents, I was holding it, and on the $3 I decided to sell it, but BitGrail, there was an exchange those times. It just failed. I wasn't able to log in, nobody could sell it, and on some different exchanges that I didn't have access to, it was trading and growing in price. And then BitGrail decided to, okay, finally we can work again. It was already $16, and I exited and I was like, wow, yeah, easy. And it jumped to $40. But I'm still fine, right? I just missed a little opportunity. But I missed it. The thing is, I just held through all these cycles and I was waiting for a candle, and I waited for that and I got this candle. I'm happy. And now I'll finish the story of XRP that I started in December 2019, and I was thinking, okay, it's gonna double or it's gonna triple, or at least I'll make 50% of that. Like I posted it in Twitter, you can see that. And it actually was going down all the time. It was going down, down, down against USD, against BTC. And only 2 days ago, finally, it went up and I made those 10%. And I was thinking, okay, no, not going there. They're deep in a, you know, what is this? And they're just like, they're going to be probably even delisted from everywhere. And with this 10%, I better just skip opportunity to grow something with crazy billions market cap. I will just exit it, and I exited with 10%. I know Ripple Army is crazy, and probably some of you are watching it. Sorry guys, I just like Stellar Lumens. And I finally sold it. A year and 4 months later, finally, this opportunity came in, and it's like 50% in USD and 10% against BTC. I was waiting for BTC profit. And this altcoin made it, but okay, it's a lot better than my friends who bought it at almost $4. And during all the bear market from 2018 till today, I was buying everything. Like I was posting it everywhere. And perfect example with XHV that I wasn't even buying, I was just mining. Was that now? I just cannot sell it. Right, that's a normal problem, but it has only $2 million of volume daily, and I just cannot sell it because it's a value that I own in only this coin. But I was mining it, not even thinking about it. And right now I'm just watching prices growing up, and I'm just waiting for the day when we see crazy volumes and people will be buying it and I'll be able to sell it. Because it had a lot of problems. Like something happened to developer, something was wrong with transactions, something was wrong with network. What? I try to avoid coins like that, and they're just making some funky, suspicious stories there. But I'm still like, okay, I keep mining it. I just don't even talk to this guy who is mining and managing everything. That's why I have a lot. And during falling market, guys, when you are buying, buy when there is blood on the streets. That means when it's red market, when it's red candles down, buy it. If you see something is going on too crazy, like we saw 5 days ago, 4 days ago, just sell it. I was kind of scared and I saw a candle of Celer lumens and volume was increasing. I just sold just 10% and again 15% back. And I even have some money there on Coinbase. And I re-entered some Badger positions and I got into some new positions in 88 MPH. I got some MTA. I get BNT, Bancor. Yes, that's the decentralized exchange with a lot of potential. Why I haven't bought DUSK? Because it didn't dip. It held its value. Why I would buy something that didn't dip when I can buy something that is completely dead, looking dead, but it's not. And we will see prices of ROOK 4 digits. We will see MTA going to more than $10 when people start caring about that, thinking about it, and it'll go to like a couple $100 per coin, which is still about $3. And now about the most interesting part, that I have created wallet of Stellar Lumens, and you can see it in the description below, but it was only private key, but you were waiting for JJPFP. Those are last 5 digits, letters, that you can use it and you can access this wallet and you can withdraw. Who is the first? Let me know in the comments below. That's the biggest giveaway so far, and I'm very excited to have more and more Stellar Lumens given away by 500 subs and 1000 subs. 1000 subs, guys, is going to be crazy. Believe me. And by the way, I'm very thankful for having 384 people here. It's like big number for me. And I'm really glad to share my experience with you guys. And I would like you to have more discussions in the comment section, because it's like kind of sad when people are not interacting and YouTube is not offering to anyone. And if you want to have more wallets, more prizes, interact more. YouTube will offer to more people and more people will see my channel. More people will subscribe and follow me. More prizes we'll see here. So that's why I'm encouraging you to hit like button right now. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed and wait for the next video, because further videos are going to be more entertaining with more hidden gems, with more hidden money, and with more wallets given away per video. And you know, 80 bucks is kind of big deal for the beginning channel, right? Because I won't make those money soon, but I'm like that person. So you support me and I'm supporting those who are the first and paying the most attention. Thank you very much. See you this week. Bye bye.